Okay, so do you remember the blogs from before when we were processing whether to buy a home and all the steps from that? Well, now, guess what? It's full circle. Remember this house? We're now selling it. When we purchase a home and you try to decide, do you want to move up, move down, move, relocate, etc., questions that come into play are, do I sell my home? Do I rent it out? How does that work when I'm trying to buy another house, etc.? Back a year ago, we had decided to rent this property out, and our property manager, Scott Arrett, wave hi, Scott,
Hello.
managed the property for us for the year with the Fry team. Now we are here at the move out. The tenants have moved out, and now we are going to do the walkthrough to finalize the move out, as well as now get the house ready for market. So stay tuned for these blogs, step by step, what it takes to sell your house. Have a great, warm, beautiful July.